Hey everybody, this is the last video I'm going to do for the day. I'm going to start out with a Dynamesh 64, giving us this, and then turning on polyframe, and I'm going to press BCB for clay buildup, and then I'm going to decrease the Z intensity so I can really sculpt on this sphere. I was going to make an action hero. Nice. Okay, so let's see. There's his basic head. And yeah, okay, so I'm going to use panel loops to create his ears. So with holding down Control, I'm going to draw out a little circle, which will be on both sides, and then under edge loop, turn on edge loop masked border. That creates a different mask for the ears, which you can select by holding down Control, and it selects just that, and then BCB, and then I'm going to inflate some areas and then deflate some areas using the mouse and Alt to switch between the two. Okay, I like that. And then panel loops. Okay, then select the move and then select that, and then just pull that out and rotate it in. Nice. Okay, there are his ears. So just so they don't get ruined, I'm going to select these, invert that, and then go up to Subtool, extract probably 0. I like that. Okay, that gives us the ears right here. There are his ears. Now let's sculpt a little bit more. BCB just in case. Okay. His eyes are going to be in this area. He's got that real warrior look. Smooth some of it. Nice. Okay. He's probably going to have some type of oxygen mask on because he's on a foreign planet. So let's see, I'm going to Control. I'm going to change this to mask pen and just draw out where his mask is going to be. Okay, then panel loops. So close subtool, open geometry, edge loop is open. Okay, let's mask that off, and probably group loops. Group loops. Okay, then M. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Now I've got that selected. Now BIN for inflate and zoom way out, and just that's too much. Let's decrease the intensity. Nice. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I like that. Now let's work on his goggles. I'm going to invert that. I'm going to Subtool, extract this as well, just so I don't lose that. Except, okay, so that's by itself. Nice. Now his goggles, probably start with his eyes. Quick, the mask pen tool, just draw over his eyes. And probably go to geometry again and edge loop mask that. Okay, probably panel loops. Nice, I like that. Click, okay, and then invert, move. Oh, wrong thing. Yeah, okay, there we go. Pull out his eyes. Oh wait, press Control Shift while you do this. It actually creates more geometry. Let's do that a few times, and one more out. Okay, deselect that, and subtool, move. Okay, select, so the eyes are selected. Let's extract those as well. I like, nope, I selected the wrong thing. Delete, yes, okay. Now, right, yeah, okay, the eyes are selected, and then invert that so they are highlighted, then extract what is highlighted, except, okay, now we've got his eyes. Yeah, okay, his eyes, right, his eyes, his nose, his mask, his ears, okay, those are all isolated. Now let's work on his skin tone. So polyframe off, we'll work on his head. Right, let's draw, let's, yeah, smooth things out. Strange alien. Nice. Okay, that'll work. Okay, control. Now let's see, what color should he be? I like green, but let's try something different. No. Oh, that's fancy. I like that. Okay, so now let's turn on color spray, right click stroke, and then color, bring this down a whole bunch. Yeah, that's nice. Now it will, let's turn Z add off, and then just color around his head. So he is a purple alien. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay. Oh, one thing I think I forgot to do is turn on mRGB and then make sure nothing is selected. Control Z. Color, fill object that fills our object with the purple, and let's draw around him just to keep the alien look. Okay, that's nice. Now let's go to his goggles, which will probably be this color. And oh, I've got an idea. Let's change the material. Let's see. I like, nice. That's fancy. I like the way that looks. Okay, press Control D a few times. So he's got really nice shades. Okay, I like that. Then color, fill object. So now his eyes are done. We've got his head and his eyes. Goggles. Goggles that don't have any, connectors. So now let's go to his respiratory mask. And let's pick a nice material for this. Oh, that's fancy. Cool, that looks pretty realistic. Now let's change the material. Okay, so material. Okay, I'm trying to go for a light wood look. Reset. So go all the way to the bottom, and diffuse is going to be, I don't know why that's not working. Specular, ambient. Let's see. Oh, there are two. Okay, so that's why. Okay. The gradient, that's why we have that wooden look. So if we change this, gradient, or intensity, change it down, it will affect the way it looks. Let's try and shoot for, yeah, I like that. Now let's change, okay, that's the look I'm going for. Okay, now Control D a few times. 100,000, that's decent. Then Shift Smooth, doesn't seem to be doing much. Okay, yeah. Never mind. That looks nice. Ooh, fancy. Okay, now we need the ears. The ears are going to be strangely green. Okay. And then change the material to toy plastic. I love toy plastic. Control D many times. Zoom in. Smooth. Control D. Okay, now I'm not sure what this is going to look with everything on it, but let's see. So turn off solo. Fun. Okay, let's go to the eyes. BMB for move. Hold down Alt. Click on the eyes to bring that out a little ways. Oh, let's turn X on the symmetry so it does it on both sides. Fun. Now go to the. Oh, I didn't change the ear color. Okay, hold on. Let's go back to the ears. Now go to MRGB. Now watch over here as I do this. One reason why I do this fill object, it changes the color permanently. So this is, well, let's go to, this one. This is what we had it on. And then change it to that light brown. Now color, fill object. I changed it over there, so now everything's complete. Okay, there's our alien. One thing we forgot about is turning the X symmetry on when we were working with the ear. I'll turn it off just to work on this side. Nice. Okay, there's the back of his head. Fun. Okay, now all we need is a name. What should his name be? I was thinking something to do with purple and, oh, his eyes are off. Let's put those back on. BMV. Move this up. These shades aren't totally on, so that's not good. Okay, now he needs a name. I was thinking purple something, and maybe something to do with his respiratory mask. Purple respiratory, let's see, probably, I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's just call him Spaz Alien. Spaz Alien, that's fancy. Okay, so now let's work on his body. Okay, now time for his alien body. So let's press BSH, make sure we're on the head, and up in his neck real quick. Let's see. Oh, that's not good. Purple. For plastic. Let's see. We need to increase the geometry. Where'd it go? Dynamesh. Oh yeah, big time. 450. That's probably a lot. It's going to be in the 300 or 400 range. Maybe. I'm not sure. But when this is finished, I'm just going to rough in a quick body with, I don't know. We'll see. No. When this happens, you'll see this a lot. If you try and smooth this out, it will create a bigger hole, and you'll try and remesh it, and it'll just create problems. So when you see this, press VIN for inflate, and then just slowly inflate until it like overlaps each other, and then you can remesh, and it will work out perfectly. Usually. If it freaks out, you can just undo and as many times as you need. Okay, yeah, that's good. Save. Cool, quick save. Nice. Okay, that solved the problem. Okay, let's make his body. So, BSH, and then resize the brush. Drag down. Oh, that's cool. He's got little alien legs. I think that'll be nice. He's definitely pretty thin. Now, if I had any type of reference to work from, I could definitely put it behind this right up here to see through my application onto the reference image I had behind. So, let's see, Photoshop. Okay, this is the body I worked on with the other aliens. So, Alt-Tab. Okay, then see-through mode. Yeah, if this had been... Right, okay. If this had been a body that I needed to try and reproduce, right, fancy. arms, and then feet. Feet. Okay, let's see what that looks like. I can certainly align the two programs to try and make that BMB. Let's resize this. Okay, there's his back. His legs are a little weird. That's okay. I just BSH, reduce the draw size, pull his feet out, BIN. Okay, then his body could flip out soon. Give him big shoes. Okay, BMB. Pull those back. Remesh. Okay, this could take a little bit. I'm going to roughen his feet. This alien doesn't have any arms. Strange, I know, but he works mostly with his mind. He has to because he has no arms. And yeah, and he runs around on his big feet. So that's good for him. He can run from everybody that's trying to eat him and think through any situation. Okay, it's done. Now I'm done with this reference image. It gave us this beautiful object. So exit out of see-through mode, BIN to get rid of those. Okay, remesh. Okay, now smooth that out. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, now let's go down to his feet. He's been alive for thousands of years, so his society has realized that shoes that twirl up like this are actually better for you in the long run. I'm not sure why. But I'm going to smooth some of this out and remesh to get rid of some of those holes. Okay, that's good. Smooth that out. Perfect. And like I was saying, his civilization has figured out that having big, huge shoes with pointy edges and a curve right here are the way to go. It's stylish and everybody's wearing them, and you can use them as rocket boosters if you need to. So now, just like up here, let's select the shoes using the control key to mask out the shoes, and then probably right there. Okay, his shoes, yeah. Anyway, now go to subtool, and then where'd it go? Oh no, sorry, geometry, edge loop masked border. Let's turn on polyframe so we can see this. Okay, that gives us a new masked region right there. Control V. This didn't look. Yeah, that wasn't selected for some reason. Okay, so edge loop. Okay. Nice. I've got those selected. Now I can group loops to smooth these edges out a little. Nice. Okay. Now I can select, turn that off, deselect, and then select the boots, changing their color and material. Let's see what would look nice. Probably. Oh, wait. Oh, that was pretty. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so control, okay, go to draw, MRGB, fill object, okay. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, now his shoes look crazy. And now let's inflate them. So Control Z and then draw BIN and drag rectangle. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, go to move. Okay, that should be selected. Yeah, okay. Then increase the Z intensity. So, we don't want that mask. Yeah, now his boots are nice. Okay, increase that. Now he's got boots. Fun. Okay, deselect that and let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got an alien that doesn't have any arms. He works strictly with his mind, and mask because he's on our planet and he can't breathe our air, and he normally doesn't breathe at all and stuff like that. Which, I don't know. I'm not quite sure he'd be wearing that. But anyway, there's our character, and yeah, this was a panel loops video, and I hope everybody enjoyed that. So, yeah.